So I'm just gonna make this review quick. I'm 5'1". This fits me pretty well. It is on my hip a little bit, but I'm fine with that. This is very soft. I'm already kind of sweating because it's pretty warm and he's kind of hot, but that's good. This thing, the harness attachment, is very, very good. I love this. It's perfect. And then the phone holder, it is very, very tight. Very tight. So I'm not going to put my phone in there. I'll put treats for training to be in this pouch, which is very odd, but it's better being close to mom than walking in Walmart. So I think he likes it.
I put this on there and it sits really nicely. For me, I am a little bit on the petite side, so it sits lower than I want it to sit. And I am placing this tiny little sleepy head inside of it. So he's got a ton of space to grow. It is great. He loves to be carried in it. I do have to tie up the neck to make it fit right so that he sits closer to my bosom. So I have him in this little pouch, but I don't know what it is. I literally can't tell. It's okay.
This latches onto the puppy very easily. And just carry it. It's great.
All right, ready? Oh, look how excited you are. Hold on. Ready? Okay. Hip. Oh, get in. Oh, good boy. Ta-da! Stick.